2-96 says, multiply the following pairs of fractions using rectangles or Audrey's method. Now, I did not have you do all 6. I actually picked 3 of them for you to complete. And again, the idea is that you would either use rectangles or Audrey's method. So what I'm going to do, because I want to make sure that we're good on this, is I'm going to use Audrey's method right here on this last one. I am going to ask you to pick one of the 2 methods for these 2, and you're going to complete that on your own. But I'm going to go ahead and do this one again as a reminder of how to do that method. I also could, of course, you do this one right here that there is an example on 2-95. So we're going to do this one right here. Audrey's method says that I can multiply my 2 numerators. I'm going to go ahead and kind of maybe make this guy a little bit bigger. I kind of wrote him small on here. So we can multiply our 2 numerators together and then multiply our 2 denominators together. So what I'm going to do with that is I have 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. And then I have 7 times 8, which is 56. And I can leave it just like that, or I could also reduce it. That's okay too. They're both equivalent fractions. If I was going to do that, I probably would have done that here. To be honest with you, I would have removed a 4 from both right here and right there. But I can do that right now. I can divide by 4 over 4. Sorry, I got distracted by that sound. Holy cow, not even writing what I should be writing. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. And we have where 56 divided by 4, 24? I believe, let's see here, that would be 6. Oh, that's too big. 14. This is what happens when Mrs. Fox didn't do this problem beforehand. It's been a while, and that's not my jam. Now, let's see if I did. This is normally how I would have done it to begin with. Which is what this would be. Holy moly. That's okay. It'd be all right. So, ladies and gentlemen, or I could have shaded one direction 4 out of 7, the other direction shaded in 3 parts out of the 8 parts that I had divided it into. What I'd double shaded would have been my 12, and the ones that total squares would have been 56. So make sure you do these 2 problems right here so that you can get credit as well. If you have questions about that, please make sure to contact me.